Hello, today I'm going to show you how to replace a wheel at the rear side of your Mercedes-Benz C180. So, preparing the vehicle. Stop the vehicle on solid, non-slippery and level ground. Apply the parking brake. Move the front wheels to the straight ahead position. Vehicle with manual transmission, depress the clutch pedal fully and engage first or reverse gear. Vehicle with automatic transmission like this, move the select third lever to P and of course switch off the engine. This is important before we are going to start with our thread. Okay, as you can see, park brake, everything's done. Let's start now. Go to the front side of your vehicle and place two of the wedges under it because against rolling away the car, of course. This is important too. Now tighten your bolts only a half rotation like this. Easy going, as you can see. That will that is easier to disassemble later. Now let's have a look for the car jack point. There it is. There's two plastic areas, and these are strong areas under your car. This is about 10 or 15 centimeters left of the car opener. Yeah, there it is. And at this position, the frame is hard and strong enough to hold or to defend the car jack. Now, slip the car jack under that position with some rubber on top or maybe a little bit of wood, and then lift up your car. Easy and smooth, as you can see. Good job. Until maybe 1 centimeter is space under the wheel. That is enough. And then we are going to unscrew the wheel bolts. That is easy too. We use for this action a bolt cross or a wheel cross, as you can see. And now extract all the bolts. And after all bolts are extracted, you are able to remove the wheel. Yeah, easy going, as you can see. There's the first one. Maybe we can extract it now. Oh no, there's one left, or maybe two left. Let's try this now. Yeah, good job. Okay. Now we are going to remove the wheel. Good. And if the wheel is disassembled, as you can see, let's have a short check-up because of the mechanical parts. Oh, any rubber is broken, the disc is rusted, or the bumper will be losing some oil, for example. This we are going to see. There are the bolts. Good job. Now let's go to the new wheel. Fitting a new wheel. Good job. Place it back in position and have a look to the drive side. You have to look. There will be an arrow at the side of the wheel, and there will be an arrow to the drive direction. This is important. Now, use your fingers first to tighten or to install the bolts. After this, use a tool. This is important for do not damage anything. So, if all bolts are placed in position, you are going to tighten the screws. But do this crosswise. That means start at, for example, the right side, then the left side, up, down, and then again on the left side. So, now tighten the bolts, but do not tighten them too hard because of the torque wrench level, Newton meter. This is important. We will use a torque wrench for this tightening later, but we will use the torque wrench only if the car is back on the ground again. So let's do that. Open the valve of your car jack and let the car back on earth again. Do this nice and gentle, smooth and gentle, as you can see. Good job. Now take a wrench, torque wrench with an additional part on top, and of course matching nut, and of course the Newton meter is so important. I will wrote it down in the description. So now tighten the bolts with the right Newton meter of your car wheels. This is important. And if you're going to drive 1 week, do this again, only for checkup after 1 week. This is important because of the safety for you. No? This is important. So last but not least, remove all kinds of wedges under your front wheels, because if you're going over that, this is not so good. Okay, extract them, and then are you ready to go again back on the street with this awesome Mercedes-Benz C180 Sedan. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.